In this tutorial, we will be manipulating checkboxes using this website. If you click on it and then you hit the spacebar, notice that you can select and unselect these checkboxes using the spacebar. We will also be using JavaScript. So this function execute script allows us to execute JavaScript in the current window or frame. So if you Google Selenium JavaScript, scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see this result, and this is the code that I am using. So we will execute script window scroll to from 0, that is the top, to document.body.scroll height, which is the bottom of the document. Some elements will not be loaded unless you scroll all the way down and see the element. Now we want to find this Saturday button to click on. And we see from Selector Hub /label, and then this is the path, XPath, that we will be using. After we copy and paste it in, we will be running the .click on it. Now suppose we want to click all of the checkboxes. So we have 7 of them. And we start taking a look at them. So we notice that their input and type is checkbox for all of them. Also name, result, checkbox, -8, or a class, multiple choice. These are all choices that we can use. So we go to this website for XPath syntax, and we see the way to do it is we use the /, and then we use the title of the element that we want. Here it would be input. And then you use square bracket, and then you use ampersand for the checkboxes. Also notice that we are using find elements because we want a list of all the elements. Up here, we only found one element that we wanted. This part is optional, where for every checkbox that you click, you count 1, and then you check at the end that you counted all 7 checkboxes because there are 7 days in the week. Notice also that we could have used name, results, checkboxes, which I have done down here. Or input class, multiple choice, animate. HTML interprets a space as a different class. Only some of them are both multiple choice and animate, but all of them are multiple choice. So what we want is multiple choice. But if you saw it, female over in gender also got selected. Meaning if you click on this, you'll see class multiple choice animate. So we did not want that for this radio button. Some websites will block Selenium's click. Notice this error message, meaning that Selenium was blocked. To get around this, we can try using JavaScript. The way to do it is to Google JavaScript click in Selenium, and you will get the code for arguments, --0, click. So here you see it worked.